welcome to 2-Minute Tips presented by the Qualtrics Experience community. Today, we'll be talking all about Session Replay. Session Replay is a powerful tool that allows users to gain valuable insights into a visitor's time spent on your websites. Users will be able to capture details such as a website visitor's mouse movement, their page navigation, or any other frustration behaviors we might detect. Let's learn more. To set up Session Replay, users can first navigate to the Sessions tab at top of your Website App Insights project. Here, you'll have the ability to turn on or off Session Replay. You'll also see settings such as selecting if you'd like your website visitors to opt in or opt out of Session Replay from occurring, and if you have any sensitive data on your website that you'd like to mask and not show in your Session Replays. We also have additional settings for testing, as well as choosing your sample criteria. Once everything is set up to your liking, you can then navigate to the Sessions list, which will show you all your recorded session replays in one central location. When you click on the View Replay button, a new tab will open up of your recorded session replay. In my example website that I made, none of the buttons actually work, resulting in a handful of dead clicks we can see on the left-hand side as frustration signals. Once we have our website sessions recorded, we can then navigate to the Data to Collect tab to group up session replays based on specific interactions, such as if an item was added to a cart, or if a user has a certain IP address or demographic info, or if we go to a home page, a checkout page, or any page on your website that you'd like to group up and then maybe map to a dashboard later down the road. Now that Session Replay is enabled, you should be able to gain valuable insights into your website that you may not have been able to gather through traditional survey responses. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and make sure to come back next week for a 2-minute tip.